Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Yes, I got back from France and everything is normal. The Eiffel Tower is still there, the Louvre is fantastic, the French are speaking French, and the flight back home was delayed as usual, so nothing I would highlight there. Go and see it for yourself. Yeah, and don't make those pictures where you are trying to catch the Louvre, the peak of the pyramid. It's just, yeah, it's annoying. Okay, but that's the same with the Pisa Tower as well. Okay, I saw that a couple of things happened. I mean, Elrond wise, a couple of things happened, but not much crypto wise or Bitcoin market wise. So I want to talk about the bear market because now everyone is bearish or maybe bullish already because we jumped from the 46 to the 48. I don't know. I can't really follow how is the sentiment in the public or in this smaller community, because it is changing pretty often from day or maybe in 12 hours as well. But I will tell you what I think about the bear market, when I think it's going to start, and I'm also gonna give you my opinion about how Elrond team reacted to this whole Holoride stuff, and this will be the last video I'm gonna do about that Holoride listing. I know it's painful and it stirred the pot for many of you, because for many of you this was the first listing you participated from the IDO. Therefore, I'm just gonna tell you how I think it was handled, and then we will close this topic once and for all, and we just look forward and go ahead, because yeah, trembling on the past is just doesn't make sense for me. But let's just talk it through. So, and before we start, please hit the subscribe button, because more than 50% of you, to be more precise 58% of you, are not subscribed, and you would do me a huge favor. This is how you help the channel, this is how you help me. So if you want to see continuously and in the future videos about crypto and finances and everything I do here about Elrond, obviously, then hit the subscribe button, because I need the channel to grow and my videos will get to more and more people, and maybe I can help them as well. So don't be greedy, press the subscribe button. Let's go and see what the market is doing right now, because what can I say? Yes, we jumped from the 46 to the 48, that was from yesterday. I'm gonna be honest with you, I was really thinking that we will go down to the 42,000s, because that's how it looked like. Now, if I would want to make a small technical analysis, let's say, I would say that we are almost breaking out, or maybe broke out from this downward trend, which obviously is a good sign, but it's just on too small time frame. And as you can see, we are still below this big support, now resistance line. Therefore, this 48,000 for me, it's not a big sign, not a sign of a big jump or of a big pump that we are back in the bull market, because I think that we are in a bull market. And since everybody is so bearish, and it's understandable for this year, because we had our ups and downs for this year. But let me tell you how the bear market, when the bear market enters, and I think I told you about this already. And there is the tulip mania from the Netherlands, and basically it's just when an asset reaches a price, when people stop buying it, and other people who hold it will start selling it. That is when the bull market ends. It's that simple. The asset reached a price where there is no more demand, and it starts to be a supply, because people who hold it wants to sell it. They realize profit. Now, what we need to understand, whether Bitcoin is too expensive or not for someone to buy. I think at 48,000 or at 50,000 it's not. I think since the big wallets are still accumulating and accumulated at around 40 to 45, 55,000, it's still not too expensive. The miners, who are also the big holders, obviously, they didn't start to sell it. Therefore, for me, the bull market is still intact, and we are in a consolidation or in a correction. That is my general point of view. That is my general perspective on the market. I could be totally wrong, honestly, and it could happen that we will just go down to the 30 or 20,000 in couple of days, couple of weeks. But since we are holding off to that Christmas miracle, which I also think it's it's not too fundamental to hold on in crypto market. But if we don't have the pump in December, if we go down, if we, I don't know, stagnate until January, it might happen that we will have a last pump in January or February. I don't know. Other people are saying that we will have the same year in 2022 as we had in 2021. I don't know about that. What is the most important is that you need to be prepared for anything which could happen. Therefore, I am prepared, to be honest, to stake everything I have and to start growing my portfolio in the next 3 years. I am also ready for the big pump. I have everything in my wallets. I have everything which I want to sell in a, let's say, in a reachable distance, so I can just swap it very, very fast. That doesn't mean that I hold it on exchanges. I don't and I won't, but I can just swap them for stable coins very easily. And with what I don't want to sell, like my Elrond, that is staked. I don't care. I don't care about the fluctuations. I'm gonna check the price. Let's say check the price in 2, 3, 4, 5 years. I don't know. As I said, my plan is to live off from the rewards from Elrond, so I don't really plan to sell it. My conclusion here is that I do think that we are still in a bull market. I don't think that we will pump in December. I just don't believe in that Christmas miracle because we are in the market, not in the fairy tales. But if we drop down to the 42,000s and this big support holds us, there is a fair chance that people will buy it up and we will go up. Okay, let's move forward. Ethereum came back to the 4,000s. I'm a bit surprised, honestly. I'm a bit surprised because Ethereum clearly came out from this downtrend, and if Ethereum starts to go up and makes a new all-time high, that could be a very important sign that Bitcoin is going to pump as well. Elrond is struggling a bit. I think this is very much the side effect of what happened with Holoride. And I want to mention here that even though it was like a cold shower for many people, this Holoride listing and this IDO and man oh man, we were burned, so on. I think the community took it pretty hard, and this might be something with the marketing or with the fundamentals or with the messages, or the nature of the messages from Elrond team. Everybody was sure that nobody can get burned because Elrond team is here to back us and they won't let us lose any money. Now, this is not what happened, but I think this was out of their reach. I will talk about that in a second. Nevertheless, we are at the 242 and we are trying this big resistance line. I hope that this will be like a triple or double header, which will just drive the price up. I don't think that this setback with the Holoride listing will affect us too much or for too long. Bigger and worse things happened in the crypto market before, and yeah, the project just got over. See paid network hacking. Okay, let's talk about Benny Minku, because he wrote a very big tweet, a very big thread on Twitter, and they want to give back some for the community. I think they took it really hard, that they were somehow wronged. I think that's what I got. That's the feeling, that's the vibe I got from his tweet, that he feels a bit wronged by his partners. And I don't know what are the legal background for these. I don't expect a retaliation, but I might think that they will limit the partnership, or they limit the services, or maybe the opportunities between them. I don't know. I have no idea, but I can take it out from this big thread that they are very concerned that the community are not gonna back them up, and they want to make sure that everyone, even if they can't give back all the money people lost because they were greedy, right? Let's just say it out loud. People who lost a lot of money, they wanted to catch the pump. You can say anything, bots or pump and dump, and that the community was wrong and the community was strict, so on, and now the rich got richer again and the poor poorer. The people who didn't have bots, they were greedy. They wanted to catch the 100x pump at the listing. But as I said, and I made videos about it a couple of times, you cannot catch the pump when it's listing. You catch the pump when you are participating in the IDO, when you already have the coins before listing. That's when you catch 100x or 50x pump. So I hope that this was a big lesson to everyone. It doesn't matter which project, because other projects will come, obviously. And what this staking agency did was unethical, but legal, so it could happen next time as well. And next time I would like to ask you to be a bit more cautious and don't buy in the pump, because you will catch the dump. Okay, hope this is clear now to everybody. As I said, very few people learn from others' mistakes. I told you my mistake, you didn't learn. Some of you did, by the way. I saw some comments. People just stopped trading at the pump, and yeah, they were happy about it. So you should learn from them as well. But if you can't learn from others' mistake, you will learn from yours. That's for sure. So I don't think at the end this will affect Elrond network in a grand scale on a longer time. Yes, I am 100% sure that many people sold their Elrond, many people left the project, but for them I wish farewell, goodbye, and I am sure that they will come back when the price hits 500 again. That will be their loss. I am still sticking with the whole Elrond team. I'm sticking with Benwinku because I very rarely see something like this from a crypto project. Usually they just say that c'est la vie. I don't know how is my French pronunciation. I know excusez-moi now because I told a lot, and pardon. Therefore, you shouldn't be upset, and I think this is a very good reaction from the team, and the fact that they try to do something to give some back to the community is a very good thing, and I think that it doesn't get half of the hype what the Holoride listing got. And this is much bigger. This is something much more out of the box thing than what happened with the bots or the Holoride. So those who are still blaming the community or blaming the Elrond team for losing money because you were greedy and you just catch the dump, then you should think twice. And if you are tweeting about the Holoride listing failure, as some people said, you should also tweet about what Benwinku and the Elrond team is trying to do here, because they are boosting up the farming pools, rewards, so on. And I just wanted to talk about this because I think this is what is important. If we talk about the Holoride listing and the bots and the community was wrong, then we should also talk about how the team is trying to give back something to the community. Now, in the meantime, what I'm doing, what I'm buying, well, I'm still buying Next Earth. I got some beaches on the Bahamas, to be honest, because now I'm buying everything I get, which I think it's okay. I have like 3 airports already and some entrances to ports, and now I will buy some beaches as well, just to make sure that those soldiers who want to come ashore on the Bahamas, they will pay the rent first. Other than that, in the crypto market, I'm not entering in any project right now. If you want, you can now hodl. I mean, I am buying some Blocktopia, I'm buying some Sidus, I'm buying some of the gaming projects which have anything to do with the metaverse, because the hype is coming in, obviously. But I'm not entering in any bigger project right now. I'm not trading. I'm just I'm taking some time off because I'm pretty exhausted after this year, and I just watched back and I posted 260 videos this year, and that's a lot. So in the next 2 weeks, 2 weeks, maybe 2 weeks, yes, 2 weeks, I will check in with 1 or 2 videos, but not every day, obviously, and not even twice a week, because I will, after Christmas, I am going to 5 days to the mountain to a ski trip, and I will have no internet there, and I don't even want any internet. Maybe I will just come down every once in a while just to check the market, just to make sure that we are not in any 100x on any of my projects, and I don't need to sell to take profit very fast, which I don't think will happen. So this is all I wanted to talk about today. Thank you very much for watching. Hope I didn't offend anybody again by saying that you were greedy. If you like the content, please smash the like button, because that is my bread and butter. And I wish you all a very, very happy and relaxing holiday. And I do hope that Bitcoin will do nothing until January, because I want you all to be without any stress and just to enjoy your time with the family, with your loved ones, with anyone who you spend your Christmas, New Year's Eve, and this holiday time together. So I wish you all the best, and I hope that we will have another great year. Thank you, and see you next time.